Here are a couple of the ductless heat pumps at the restaurant. Both of them Sanyos. And there's a Goodman right there. And the round ones are way up there, so those aren't a part of this property. But they are right up there, the round ones. Let's see if the ream's running. Damn it. Alright, well here's a video of the ream with my new camera. And there's that damn spotlight again. The ream with the new camera. Yeah, those are the round ones right there. Don't know if they're heat pumps or straight cool units. And there's another newer unit right next to it. Don't know what brand that is. Looks like a Carrier. Hold on a minute. Alright, there's a somewhat better view of the round ones.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.